Good morning. It's Monday, January 4th. Looking at Tesla here. If it breaks 730, going to be taking puts. Market's selling off. Tesla went all the way to the top. It's at 50% of its gap down. So taking puts here just because it's not holding the run upward. And so we're going to take this down. You'll see the share bar moving downward, and this is happening. So stop's going to be at 731. We'll see how this plays out. This could easily go down into post-market, pre-market. So 725, and the next stop could easily be 720. All right, we'll give you an update in a little bit here. Also, Tesla is, Amazon's breaking key support levels of this 3184. You see this, and then down here, open, close at the 3168. So this could easily get into this today. So you could do some puts with your stop about 190. So this would be a good lower. You can see the market selling off. Qs are selling off, and SPY is selling off. So it kind of gives you a nice entry point there. You see we're on this side of the indicator, so it looks like we're just continually selling off. So see how this is falling, there's no wick on it. So I'm going to take these also, and we'll see how this turns out. All right. So these puts in Tesla and these puts in Amazon are working nicely downward. So you could easily scalp another $3 off this. It's breaking the 69, the 3169. And Tesla broke, like we said, the 730. So these are heading downward. See the entry with the green, your stop. So you got a nice, we break into the 728, which looks like we're going to. This key support here. This could drop well into the 7. There we go. So 728, 729. There's 7. So you got a sell-off going on here. So super good trade on both of these. So 727. So you could easily take from the 730 to the 727. There's $3 profit. It looks like it's still breaking down. So let this run a little bit. And as you can see, Amazon's doing the same thing and the market's selling off. So you might as well just capture these kind of moves after it breaks. It's in a descending triangle downward and the market's selling off. Dow's down 600. So let's let this continue. So now you see that Amazon is into this 3169 and still selling off. Qs are still selling off. And then you got Tesla also selling off. So you could take half your profit if you wanted to. You got easily $3-4 in this already. So you wouldn't want to let this go back 50% of your trade. So this could easily get into the 726 mode. Let this candle complete. So you got a continuous sell-off of Amazon. It gives you like a $10 profit here, just like we thought it would break into the 3168. So it's definitely broke through that to 3164. I was telling you about the key support levels here. So you could easily take a $10 profit right now if you wanted to, or you can let it go and make sure it doesn't go 50% of your profit back up. All right. We're definitely profitable in our Tesla trade also. So we'll let these play out and give you an update. So there's another $5 in Tesla. It's breaking. It's got to hold this 3168. It's already broke into the 58. So this is another $10 drop. We're into areas now that we have to scope back, and we could get into these 3150. That's pretty big, substantial. This thing's down 3% already. This could be a blow off bar, which easily could reverse back. So I'm going to close out the Amazon trade. You could sell half, put your stop at 3165. We're going to sell out here, take the profit at 3160. This is well into the $13 to $15 range on the option. Right here, it's a $20 move downward. The market continues to sell off. So this is a lot of profit for me. So I'm going to take the profit. Huge trade. Same thing goes with Tesla. Just kind of goes to show you how to take these trades. It's 50% of the move. So now you have, our entry was 730. We're at 722. So there's $7 profit. We figured it'd come into the 720. So there is the pre-market number. So I'm taking my profit here also. Happy trading, guys.